Fennel. Fennel has been utilized for centuries for its aromatic and flavorful properties in both cooking and medicine. This plant is widely grown in many parts of the world due to its numerous health benefits. It is native to the Mediterranean region and is now cultivated worldwide. In this article, we will look at how certain foods can help alleviate gas and other digestive issues. We will also explore their digestive properties to gain a better understanding of how they can aid in digestion. The history of fennel as a digestive aid dates back to ancient times. The use of herbs to aid in digestion has been a practice since ancient times. The ancient civilizations recognized the potency of its effects on the digestive system. The Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans were all aware of its power. Fennel seeds are often consumed after meals to help digestion and soothe any uneasy feelings. Its use as a natural remedy for digestive issues has been around for centuries. Many people have found it to be effective in relieving stomach discomfort and aiding in digestion. This popularity continues to this day. One of the primary reasons why fennel is considered beneficial for digestion is its carminative properties. Fennel is thought to be helpful for digestion due to its carminative effects. Carminatives are substances that help relieve gas and bloating by promoting the expulsion of trapped gas from the digestive system. Fennel contains compounds which have been found to possess carminative properties. Fennel also acts as a mild laxative, helping to stimulate bowel movements and relieve constipation. Fennel can act as a mild laxative, promoting bowel movements and offering relief from constipation. Original text: this is particularly useful for individuals suffering from sluggish digestion. Rewritten text: this can be beneficial to those who have difficulty with their digestion. Fennel can help promote regular bowel movements, preventing gas buildup and eliminating any discomfort associated with constipation. In addition to its carminative and laxative properties, fennel also has anti-inflammatory effects on the digestive system. Fennel has properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the digestive system, as well as herbs that can help to ease gas and relieve constipation. Inflammation in the gut can lead to various digestive disorders, such as IBS and IBD. These conditions can cause discomfort and disrupt normal digestion. Fennel contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and protect the digestive tract from harm. Research has also shown that fennel may help reduce symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. Studies have demonstrated that it may be beneficial in lessening symptoms of heartburn and acid reflux. Acid reflux happens when the lower esophageal sphincter does not close properly, causing stomach acid to move back up into the esophagus. Fennel can help improve the function of the lower esophageal sphincter, which can reduce the occurrence of acid reflux episodes. To experience the digestive benefits of fennel, it can be consumed in various forms. To experience the digestive benefits, it can be consumed in various forms. Fennel seeds, which are readily available, can be chewed after meals to help with digestion and reduce bloating. Sorrel leaves have a distinctive taste and can be quite enjoyable. They have a licorice-like flavor and can be quite refreshing. Fennel tea is another popular way to enjoy the digestive benefits of this herb. Fennel is a popular herb that is known to have beneficial effects on digestion. To make a herbal tea, steep 1 teaspoon of crushed seeds in a cup of boiling water for about 10 minutes. The beverage can be enjoyed hot or cold and may be sweetened to taste. Drinking tea after meals can help ease digestion and prevent gas. In addition to fennel seeds in tea, fennel bulb can also be incorporated into meals. Fennel can be utilized in many different ways, such as its seeds, tea, and bulb, in order to incorporate it into meals. It has a crunchy texture and a delicate taste, making it an ideal ingredient in different recipes. Fennel bulb can be sliced and added to salads, roasted with other vegetables, or used as a flavorful garnish. While fennel is generally safe for consumption, some individuals may be allergic to it. Some individuals may have an allergic reaction to it, so it is important to be aware of this. It is advisable to perform a patch test or consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating a new food into your diet, especially if you have known allergies or medical conditions. In conclusion, fennel is a natural digestive aid and gas relief remedy that has been used for centuries. In conclusion, this natural remedy has been used for centuries to provide digestive aid and gas relief. Its medicinal properties make it an effective choice for promoting digestion, relieving gas, and alleviating digestive discomfort. Fennel can provide a tasty and enjoyable way to help maintain a healthy digestive system, whether taken as seeds, tea, or in bulb form.